Hello everyone. We are here with my 1970 pickup today because it's finally time to do the cam swap on this thing to hopefully get this thing running better. I've already taken some stuff off and done some prep work, so let's take a look at it. Alright, I've got the grill off because I think I did have to have it off to put the swap the cam itself, so went ahead and took that off. Also had a yellow jacket nest in there that I had to take care of, so I got some stray yellow jackets flying around, but I'll be okay. As y'all can see, I've went ahead and taken off the my Fend Holly valve covers. Those will not be returning. I will be keeping these for now. Got all the accessories off the front and the crank pulley, the balancer. I just took the balancer off. So let's head up the GoPro and finish taking everything off. After I get I'm gonna get the timing cover off first, and I'm gonna get the engine cranked over by hand to get the timing marks lined up before I pull the cam out. Yeah, let's get started. Well, the old cam is out, and the lifters, I didn't really see anything wrong with the lifters. All the bottoms pretty much looked okay. I think I saw maybe a scratch or a crack on the bottom of one of them, but that overall they all looked okay. But I will not be using these ever again. These will be going in the trash, because I had questions about these when I was before I even put them in. I was having doubts about them. But cam's right here. It is a Mopar purple shaft, supposed to be a 484 284 cam. I'm going to inspect that really close. I'm going to get my calipers, measuring the lobes, seeing if anything's worn down. If everything looks pretty much okay, then I'll probably hold on to that. I do have another distributor. We'll be replacing that with one that's pretty much brand new inside and tuned and everything. So everything else looks okay. The double roller, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I had the valley pan sealed good to the heads and the block. I mean, that's just me, but I'm pretty sure I had that sealed right. Jesus. Thankfully, the carburetor gaskets came off with no issues, so I'll be able to reuse those. And now to clean up the mating surfaces and get this new stuff going in. Well, here is the new cam and lifters. This is a new Edelbrock Performer Plus cam, and these are the DLC lifters. Here's the part number for them. Now the DLC lifters, took me a second to realize where the special coating was because I wasn't seeing it, and then I looked at the bottom. The bottom does have this black mirrored chrome looking coating on it, and that's the DLC stuff. So got me some driven brake-in oil and some engine assembly gel. Specialized non-drip formula came with the cam. So got my gasket surfaces clean. Now it's cleanish, ready for new silicone. But it's ready for the new cam. And I did have to pull the old cam out this hole, so it's kind of nice that Dodge put that in right there. So let's get the GoPro going, let's get this cam in. Well, I got a few things done and kind of forgot to turn the camera back on. But rocker shafts are down, the cam's in, timing set, everything. Got the timing, pretty sure I know I got the timing set right. That's my new distributor. It looks really good on the inside. It's hopefully performs as good as it looks. We'll find out tomorrow, because I should be able to have it fired up tomorrow. But it's just carburetor, valve cover gaskets, and accessories and radiator. This is some high flow pulley kit from CVF, I think CVF Racing, or CVF Pulleys. It's high flow pulleys, and I do have another clutch fan, similar to the one I put on the Charger. But I will be having a clutch fan on here, and hopefully it cools better. Hopefully I won't have issues like I've had in the past with my cooling system. But it's 8 o'clock. I've been kind of coming out off and on, doing stuff. It's been a little warm today, so didn't want to overheat. So kind of going slow with it, but I should have it done tomorrow. Really looking forward to having this truck running again. I'm still kind of fingers crossed at this point. Kind of expecting to have some issues with the carburetor, because it's, like I said, it's kind of been sitting for 2 years. I'm hoping the gas is still kind of good, because once again it's been sitting for 2 years. So I guess we'll find out. We'll get all this old gas burned out in the 20-minute cam break in. But really looking forward to hearing this thing run again. I want it to be right. I want it to be running good so I can enjoy it again. But see you tomorrow. Well, it's the next day, and I've got the water pump on, the pulley, the fan. It's a little close to the radiator, but still got about a ½ inch or so, ½ inch, 3/4 inch of space. So more like ½ inch. But it spins, it doesn't hit anything, so I'm not worried about it. Got the hoses on. Might need to change that clamp. It kind of skipped on me. Got the valve covers bolted down with new bolts. I took those studs off. That was loose. I need to tighten that up. But the valve covers are good. Still need to get a PCV valve and hose for back there, but it's on. Carburetor's still loose. I still need to finish bolting that down. It's just looks like it's just alternator. I got to redo the fuel line going up to the carburetor. So fuel line, carburetor, and wires, plug wires. So won't be long now, making progress. Well, got everything together. Got fluid in the radiator. Found a belt in my backyard for the alternator, so I didn't have to go buy one. It's got the brake oil in it. Battery's fully charged, ready to go. So it's time to go. It's time to start it and see. Well, that's already better. Got to get the lifters pumped up. That's already better. Well, my camera's a little fuzzy, so dirty, sorry about that. Well, that's already better. Let me get some tuning on it and get the cam brake in, and we'll be back. So fingers crossed, it sounded better. Just need to, let me get the timing set, do the cam brake in, and let's see what happens. Well, I've got it pretty close to 2,000 RPM. I'm gonna let it sit there, but it's sounding good. Exhaust sounds good. Engine sounds good. It smoked a little bit when it first fired up, to be expected after how long it sat. Now it's time to sit. Maybe see. That's time to sit. Watch the time, watch the temps. Let it run. This is after the cam break in, and temperature just now creeped up to about 230. My gauges are shot. It's not showing oil pressure. I know I've got it. I didn't have any problems with it before, so I didn't worry about it during the break-in. But yeah, the gauges are just shot. But this right here. Now I do have to go through the carburetor because it has some issues. I thought it had issues. I don't know. I still might have to go through it. Everything's looking good, sounding good, running smooth. I do not have a PCV valve on yet. I will run one. I just don't have it hooked up yet. And with that fan this close, it's got some real nice airflow coming across that radiator. It is really good to have my truck back running good. I was really nervous during the break-in. I'm always nervous during the cam break-in, but it's sounding good. I'm gonna let it rest. Do my oil change tomorrow, put in my regular oil, and probably have a driving video sometime after that. But it is so good to hear this thing crank up and run good, and to hear the exhaust again. It's just, I might do a walk around. Well, there we have it, folks. Revival Part 2. I'm gonna say it's a success, pending a test drive and everything, but I'm gonna say it's a success. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.